Einstein's relativity number 17, hyper-acceleration. Collision is a brief moment of extreme change in speed. Any change in speed is acceleration. A great change in speed during a brief moment is hyper-acceleration. In inertia field theory, the inertia field is most dislocated from its matter during brief moments of collision. It takes force to push a nail into matter. Gravity and mass can do it. 100 pounds of iron activated by gravity can push a small nail into styrofoam. The same method fails when the styrofoam is replaced with wood. Consider a 4,000-pound earth loader failing to push a spike into wood. A 2-pound hammer colliding or hyper-decelerating with the spike advances the spike into the wood. Clearly, the moment of brief deceleration of a 2-pound hammer delivers greater g-force than 4,000 pounds of iron activated by gravity. Both gravity-activated matter and decelerated inertia are invisible forces. They appear equivalent insofar as they both advance the nail into matter. There are clearly quantitative differences between gravity-activated matter and hyper-decelerated inertia. The entire field of gravity-activated matter and decelerated inertia is calculable and applicable in all aspects of human existence. Most of this subject is understood with biokinetic intelligence. Applying it in orders of magnitude beyond human experience requires Newtonian mathematics. Einstein's general relativity is nominally about gravity, inertia, and acceleration, but it is a superfluous fantasy. The blue field suggests an extremely approximate spatial relationship between inertia and its mass during the hyper-decelerated moment of collision. Hyper-deceleration generates the g-force that drives the nail into the wood.